Hey, this is Aussie Steve from Home Buy Louisiana. We buy houses in all sorts of condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're just about to close on the West Bank of Jefferson Parish. Look, it was a property that had been in the family for a while, and the son had inherited the property. Unfortunately, his father had passed away. Look, it's in more of a rental area. Not the best part of Jefferson, but. And so he wanted to sell it fast, just for cash. The hassle of trying to list it. It's in okay condition, but just not a home that appeals that much to a lot of homeowners around here. So probably more relevant as a rental. We buy it as is, so he's leaving a few things behind, and that's fine. We'll clear that out. Look, not as bad as some of the houses we buy. So look, this is pretty reasonable condition. Needs a bit of fixing in the bathroom, and but not a bad little rental property. So look, it was going to pretty much go to an investor anyway, not a homeowner. So it made sense for him to sell direct. There's no realtor fees or commissions to pay. We pay cash, and because we don't have financing, it means we can close really fast because we don't need to go through all the loopholes and inspections. So he was able to turn his inheritance into a nice, quick cash windfall. So look, if you have a house you're looking to sell, maybe you've inherited it, or maybe you got a house that just needs repairs and it's not really ready for the market, then look, we buy houses like that all the time in Louisiana. Reach out to us, and we can discuss your situation and see if we're a good fit as a buyer. We're always happy to help. We're always happy to give advice. We don't buy every house that every person calls us, but we help everyone. We'll always give our opinion. We'll always give you thoughts, ideas, options, and if the best option is for us to buy it, fantastic. And if it's not, that's also great. And we wish you the best, and hopefully we can give you some thoughts to help you on your journey. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.